When it comes to home and office decor, the right furniture pieces can dramatically elevate the ambience and functionality of a space. Among the various materials available, what stands out for its timeless appeal, versatility, and ability to bring warmth to any environment. While many people are familiar with traditional wooden furniture, there are a plethora of stylish wooden pieces that might not be on your radar but can significantly enhance your living and working spaces. Discovering these unique items can transform your home and office into a haven of style, comfort, and practicality. Imagine stepping into an office adorned with sophisticated wooden elements. The richness of wood not only adds a touch of elegance, but also creates a calming atmosphere conducive to productivity. A beautifully crafted wooden desk can serve as the centerpiece of your workspace. Opting for a desk that features a combination of sleek lines and natural finishes can create a modern yet inviting look. The tactile quality of wood engages the senses, making it more pleasant to work at than cold metal or plastic surfaces. Moreover, a well-designed wooden desk can provide ample storage, ensuring that your workspace remains organized and clutter-free. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stylish wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas you never knew you needed to elevate your home and office. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. For those who work from home, the importance of a dedicated workspace cannot be overstated. A stylish wooden desk can delineate your work area from the rest of your home, enhancing focus and productivity. You can personalize your desk with decorative wooden accessories, like a handcrafted pen holder or a beautiful wooden clock, adding character and functionality. By thoughtfully selecting these items, you create an environment that encourages creativity and efficiency. In addition to desks, consider incorporating wooden shelving units into your office. These pieces not only provide essential storage, but also serve as platforms for displaying inspiring books, plants, or personal items that reflect your personality and interests. A well-organized shelf can become a visual focal point in your office, drawing the eye and inviting curiosity. The natural grain of the wood adds depth, while the arrangement of items can tell a story about your journey, making your workspace feel more personal and engaging. For your home, wooden accent pieces can play a pivotal role in transforming the atmosphere of a room. Think about the impact of a stunning wooden coffee table in your living area. A statement piece made from reclaimed wood with unique imperfections can serve as a conversation starter while also providing a functional surface for drinks and snacks. The beauty of a wooden coffee table lies in its ability to blend seamlessly with various styles, from rustic to contemporary. By choosing such a centerpiece, you create an inviting environment that encourages relaxation and social interaction. Beyond the typical coffee table, consider the elegance of a wooden side table or end table. These small yet impactful pieces can add layers to your decor. Placed beside a sofa or chair, a stylish wooden side table can hold a lamp, books, or decorative items, enhancing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Its presence can ground the space, making it feel more complete. When selecting side tables, look for designs that incorporate unique shapes or mixed materials, such as metal or glass, to add visual interest. Another often overlooked piece that can elevate your home decor is a wooden bench. Whether placed in an entryway, living room, or garden, a well-crafted wooden bench adds both seating and charm. Imagine a beautifully finished bench with intricate carvings or a live edge that showcases the natural beauty of the wood. This versatile piece can serve multiple purposes, offering a spot to sit while putting on shoes in the entryway or providing additional seating during gatherings. By integrating a wooden bench into your home, you create a welcoming atmosphere that encourages relaxation and conversation. In your dining area, the choice of furniture can significantly influence the overall vibe. A stylish wooden dining table can serve as the heart of family gatherings and dinner parties. The warmth of the wood fosters a sense of togetherness, encouraging people to linger over meals and share stories. Look for tables that feature unique designs, such as those with tapered legs or intricate joinery, to add a touch of elegance. Pairing the table with mismatched wooden chairs can create an inviting, eclectic look that feels both casual and sophisticated. Wooden decor pieces can also play a key role in defining your space. Consider the impact of wooden wall art or sculptures. A large, visually striking wooden piece can serve as a focal point in a room, drawing the eye and adding depth to your walls. Whether it's a carved wooden map, an abstract sculpture, or a series of smaller wooden frames, these elements can enhance the overall decor while showcasing your personal style. For those looking to create a serene atmosphere, wooden elements can help soften the overall design. Incorporating wooden window frames or shutters can bring warmth and texture to your space, while allowing natural light to filter in beautifully. The interplay of light and wood creates a tranquil environment that promotes relaxation, making your home feel like a sanctuary. Additionally, wooden accessories can enhance the functionality of your spaces. For instance, a stylish wooden tray can be a useful addition to your coffee table or dining table. Not only does it serve as a practical item for holding drinks or snacks, but it can also become an attractive decorative piece when not in use. By arranging candles, books, or small plants on a wooden tray, you create a visually appealing display that enhances the overall decor. In the kitchen, wooden elements can significantly impact both style and functionality. Consider incorporating wooden cutting boards, utensils, or serving platters into your kitchen decor. These items not only serve practical purposes, but also add warmth and authenticity to the space. A beautifully crafted wooden bowl can hold fresh fruits or serve as a centerpiece on your dining table, merging functionality with aesthetics. The organic shapes and textures of wood can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, making your kitchen feel like the heart of your home. For those who appreciate a more minimalist aesthetic, wooden pieces can still play a significant role. Clean-lined wooden furniture with simple finishes can maintain a sense of elegance while promoting a clutter-free environment. A wooden console table in a hallway or entryway can provide a stylish surface for keys and mail, while also serving as a decorative element. By selecting pieces that embody a minimalist approach, you can achieve a sophisticated look without overwhelming the space. As you consider the transformation of your home and office decor, remember that the combination of wood with other materials can create a dynamic and engaging environment. Pairing wood with metal can produce a contemporary feel, while combining it with textiles can add warmth and comfort. For instance, a wooden chair upholstered in soft fabric can create a cozy reading nook, inviting you to curl up with a book. This mix of materials not only enhances the visual interest of a space, but also contributes to a layered, inviting atmosphere. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked stylish wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas you never knew you needed to elevate your home and office. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.